Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get MDB codes for Nayax using an easy method. First, ensure your vending machine is powered off before making any connections. Locate the MDB port, typically a 6-pin connector, inside your machine's control panel. You will need a Nayax device and a compatible MDB cable to proceed with the setup. This process is straightforward and designed for quick implementation. Once you have identified the MDB port, carefully connect your Nayax device using the provided MDB cable. Make sure the connection is firm and fully seated to avoid any interruptions in data transfer. After the Nayax device is securely attached, you can power on your vending machine. The Nayax unit will then begin its initialization sequence, preparing to communicate with the machine's controller. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support helps us create more useful content. On another note, for all you busy entrepreneurs, why not relax with a good book? The new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere, even by the pool, without glare. It's perfect for unwinding after a long day. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With the Nayax device powered on and connected, access its diagnostic menu. This is usually done through the device's small screen and buttons, or sometimes through a connected mobile application. Within the menu, locate the MDB information or machine setup area. Here, the Nayax device will present the MDB codes it has detected from your vending machine, along with other vital configuration data. The MDB codes displayed are crucial for confirming proper communication and setup. Carefully record these codes, as they are valuable for future reference, especially if you need to troubleshoot or adjust settings. These codes essentially tell you what your vending machine is capable of and how the Nayax device is interacting with it. Understanding them helps ensure your payment system operates efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.